Hey everybody, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the charts. So what's going on in the market? Let's dive in. Remember that I'm not your financial advisor. Again and again, always do your own research, okay? So now let's go. This is your XRP US dollar time frame. We are still trading inside this channel right here. Okay, just like I said to you before, we're gonna hit this one. Alright, now decision time is going to happen. So look at this. We are perfectly rejecting this trend line right here. Okay, and if we have a candle close above here and we have a confirmation candle, or it breaks to here and close this one, this weekly candle right here, maybe that's a good sign. Okay, maybe that's a good sign, but I'm not saying we're going to the bull market now. Okay, so look at this. We are respecting this trend line here. Okay, look at how perfectly it is respected here, here, and here, and possible here right now. Okay, don't get trapped here, guys. Look at this, because maybe we are going to get rejected here and fill in this gap here. Okay, and maybe bounce and then come back down. Maybe that's just the idea for bearish scenario. Okay, so what I'm expecting here is maybe look at this Bitcoin chart here. Okay, what if this is a combination chart of 2021 and 2017 bull market? Look at this, 2017, right? We go down, right? We go down, we bottom up, we pump, but eventually we got another dump here before we blast off to the upside. What if this one happens instead of doing this one? Okay, instead of doing this one, this is all you can see. This one is very similar. This pattern right here is very similar to the pattern of this one, right? Very similar. I hope you see that too. Okay, that's why I'm expecting somewhere like this and then dump here. Okay, so I'm expecting now that we go on up here and dump here. Okay, somewhere around this area, so we can create some double bottom. Okay, if we are not going lower than this, then it's okay still, as long as I am seeing this RSI here going uptrend. Okay, maybe if we going back here and get supported by this line here, okay, and the price is still flat, doing some double bottom here, and we see the RSI is going uptrend, then that's my bullish momentum and that's my bullish sign for Bitcoin. Okay, so looking your US dollar dominance here, we're still completing this bull flag. Okay, look at this. Maybe we're just respecting this, and maybe we're heading this one. Okay, going to your 50 EMA DCL line, and then boom. Okay, creating some, I don't know if it's double top, okay, or maybe something like this head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay, maybe we are here, we come back up like this. Okay, so I don't be surprised if we're going to do that again, that maybe we gone up here just like that and come back down. I'm not going to be surprised. Okay, so let's just see what's gonna happen, because Look at this. I'm looking for this one, but looking at the EMAs, maybe we kinda like here. Okay, the 50 EMA is holding this downtrend and then bounce for some, I don't know, like that, some fake outs or just extension of their pumps. But either way, we're not in the 50 EMA yet. We're not. Maybe this one is just like this one. Okay, this one. Okay, watch this, watch that. Okay, and your 50 EMA right and 50 RSI level here still holding, so you can see it right here. Okay, you can see it right here, and the 50 line is still holding, so there's a lot of chances that it can go up and reverse the market, so don't get trapped. Look at Sui, it's pumping very nice. Okay, how can I say, what can I say to Sui? It's very nice. Okay, so but I don't want you to get trapped here. I'm not saying you to sell your Sui or something. This is just my idea here. Looking at your daily time frame, we got rejected exactly at your 200 EMA. Okay, we get some rejections there, and look at your engine, which pumps earlier. Okay, look at this one. It goes up right here. Okay, and got rejected. Maybe this one is going to go back here. Okay, I'm not saying Sui will do that, but let us see how much it goes. Okay, it pumps like 530%. So now let's go back to Sui. Okay, look at this. We pump like 58%, so we can, yeah, we can literally go up higher. Oh, where's my chart? I forgot that. Maybe not this one, maybe this one. Wait, I forgot where's my chart. No, not that one. Anyways, I'm going to create another drawings for this one. Yeah, as all of you can see, this one is perfectly from here, respected there, respected, and perfect like that. Okay, so we go on here, we go on here, let's go on here. All right, so if we have the best momentum for Sui, maybe we can create some cup and handle here before we blast off here to your $2 mark. Right there, right in there, perfectly. Okay, look at that. So how is that? Right now we are currently in this resistance right here. Okay, the question is, are we going to pass that? So if we do, we can see some cup here, right? Look at this, we can see some bullish momentum here. We measured this and we go it to the stop right here. Okay, so this one could be something good here. Okay, if that's the case, we can push this down here because we have also the solid rejections here. Okay, resistance here, resistance here. Look at this, gonna be resistance. Okay, the previous supports, now your resistance. Okay, we have a lot more in this 1.84 area. Okay, look at that perfectly. So we will continue to go up like this. Maybe we can stop by 1.84, but what you can see here, we can pump like here and then down, and then you see some inverse head and shoulders, and then a continuation to the upside. Maybe that's just the idea here. Or the bearish case scenario is that you can go up like that and then continue to go down, now creating some double bottom before the blast off to the upside. Yeah, that's just my idea here. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you learned something here. I'm just sharing you my insights. Always do your own research. Focus on your trades, focus on yourself. Don't listen to me, don't listen to others. Don't get hype, don't get trapped. Just focus on the charts. News is just a noise. Yeah, everything is on the chart. Okay, that's what I've learned in the past few years here. Okay, maybe this one XRP could fake out by hitting this 20 EMA right here and then going back down. Okay, but if it bombs, then we're gonna talk about it again. Okay, so see ya. God bless and bye bye.